In this short and simple tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to log out of the Booking.com app on your phone in under a minute. Whether you're an iPhone or Android user, the process is the same, so just follow the steps in the video. You'll want to open the Booking.com application on your phone. I have mine already opened, and I'm on the main page of the Booking app. But in order to log out or sign out from our account, we'll first have to tap on the My Account option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that will get us to this section. You can see a bunch of settings related to your account on this page, but we're not interested in that. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page until I see this red Sign Out option. When I click on this, it's going to give me a message explaining what logging out of my Booking.com account will do. It says that this will hide all of our personal data, including our bookings. So just tap on this Proceed option, and then the app will sign you out of the account. If you want more Booking.com and other similar tutorial videos like this one, then make sure to subscribe to AppTutor, and I'll see you in the next video.